Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make a delicious, buttery, dairy-free popcorn. So I use yellow popcorn kernels as well as canola oil and all glass and stainless steel materials. And I'll leave a link at the end of this video about our plastic-free journey. I also use 1 tablespoon and 1/4 teaspoon, as well as table salt and nutritional yeast, which gives it that buttery, savory flavor. I'll be using a 1 cup measuring tool just to scoop up the finished popcorn, and then you'll want to have a 2-quart saucepan. So you just want to pour in 3 tablespoons of the popcorn kernels, and to that you want to add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. Now you see I'm going to actually add 2 of these because I'm that person at the movie theater that cannot help themselves with the butter popcorn button. But 1 is all you really need. So just make sure it's a single layer, evenly coated. Cover, and then move it to medium-high heat. Make sure you shake it about every 10 seconds to keep it from sticking, and after about a minute or so, you will have yourself some freshly popped popcorn. Then I just sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt on top of my popcorn, and I also add the nutritional yeast on there, and it also gives it like a nice cheddar popcorn hint of flavor. So what do you guys use on your popcorn? Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if you'd like me to teach a live virtual class on this recipe so you can follow along step by step, and I'll add it to my other fitness classes, DIY classes, and cooking classes. So now you can make multiple batches of this savory, dairy-free popcorn. Just pour them all together, scoop up all the goodness, and enjoy. I hope you like this video and that you feel inspired to give this video a try. I am being summoned, but be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in the next video.
That's popcorn.